So if you're using a Pixel phone and you want to turn it off, here are all the possible ways you can do so. The first method, you can use the notification menu. Simply drag down from the top of your notification and tap on the power button in this section. Here you find all the power options such as emergency lockdown, power off, and restart. Another way you can power off, drag down from the notification and tap on settings. You can also open settings on your device. Scroll down till you find system, tap on system and tap on gesture. Under gesture, here you see press and hold power button. Tap on this and you should see the option for power menu. Now when you tap on this and then press and hold down the power button, this will show you the power option. This will always show you the power option when you press on the power button. You can also simultaneously press the power button and volume up button. This will open the power menu. Finally, you can use your Google Assistant. Now you can press and hold down the power button to summon your Google Assistant for command. Or you can simply say, "Hey Google, power off."
Opening power options.
So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, like and subscribe for more tips.